Hello, welcome to today's video. In this video I will tell you, perform you in front of you the live trading of some cryptocurrency in on Binance exchange. And guys, I will recommend you to subscribe to my channel because I share informative videos daily related to Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. And another thing I want to tell you is, please like my video because YouTube limits cryptocurrency material. And for example, I got 20 views in the between the in the first 24 hours of this video, and then this video is not getting views. Same is the case with this video. And that is why I think it is really true that YouTube gatekeeps some of the cryptocurrency videos. So that said, so let's get into our topic. So first of all, I will go to Binance.com. It is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency, and sell cryptocurrency. And I had a video on how to create account on Binance. Here is a video. See, where is that video? This is the video how to register on Binance. You can check this video, although it has no views. In this video I told how to register on Binance. And so we are on my dashboard, and before jumping into trading I want to share some important information with you, and I would like you to listen this information carefully. If you are beginner, these are very important. For tip number one for you is, if you are beginner, then I will recommend you don't go deep into trading, much trading. Better is to search for one or two good coins, and then buy them and hold them for 1 week or month. And then, because why I'm saying this is because I lost cash in this. I opened, it is my experience, lost, I gained almost $20 in the first day of my trading on Binance. And I was very excited that I can't believe, I can't believe, I am surprised that I can easily earn $20 per day in this trading. This is amazing, insane. So but I landed on earth very soon when I got lost. I lost almost 40 to $45 in the very next day, in the rush of gaining profit. Because first I got a setback of $23, then I rush into trade and lost further 20 to 20 $30 in cash. So this is.
Here is our interface that look like here of spot trading. And if you see, I assume that most of the viewers are beginners that haven't experienced spot trading. And so here is the chart. You can see the current latest chart of price chart of any of the cryptocurrency, your selected cryptocurrency. Here you can select any time range for it, for example 1 hour time range. And you can see a green shows where it price is going. It going up or is it going down? Red mean it is going down, it is depreciating. And green means it is appreciating in price, it is gaining value. And here is the buying interface. And I had you can see $40. And here you can select this 250 or 100. That You can see the below is the price For example, if I select, if I will analyze this chart, and I think it will reach to $200 easily. So I had 50. I will select this buy button, and uh, I booked an order. So simple, guys. This is the way you book an order. For example, I booked for price of $200, and I had previous trade history. You can see I had sell 200.70 for 200.70. 0.13 is the amount, and then I buy for 197 and sell for 199. And I so this is I'm playing with it. And you after price come down to 200, my order will be fulfilled. And this is the way. And now I want to tell you is here is the selling interface. You can, if you have a Litecoin, here you can order a sell price. And here is the my favorite um, coins. So for example, there is engine coin. I selected from that interface. So you can select any of the. I will cancel this engine. So to demonstrate in front of you how you can sell any of your owned cryptocurrency. For example, I own almost 7.8 engine coin, and then I will sell this in front of you so you can know. Here is the price that is I want to sell for, and below is the amount I want to sell for. And then below is the total price that I will get if after it's sold. So I bought it in almost 1.66 USDT. So I am aiming for 1.8. You can see, you can analyze from chart, and it is really in bullish pattern. And uh, now I think so, if I see in time range of 4, or let's see what happens. I can see here it had crossed almost one more than 1.8 1.806. So I think it is in bullish phase. So I'm hopeful it can go to 1.8. So I will click sell, and my order is booked. So when the price get into this range of $1.8, I will get my order will be booked, and I will be getting my USDT. So this is today's tutorial. I hope you get to know about this, how you can place an order of buying and how you can place an order of selling. For example, you can see I have 20 USDT. I can order is fulfilled automatically. For example, I had booked an order. Whenever the price reach to that, it will be fulfilled. So I hope you like today's video, and please subscribe to my channel, and it will help me a lot. And so thanks for watching. Goodbye.